Ingenieur Hemminger, mittlerweile seit über 50 Jahren.
Hemminger is an engineering firm that's been in business for more than 50 years. We offer multiple services in the field of geodata acquisition and geodata evaluation. Our customers come from the energy industry, the automotive industry, the public sector, and more. The challenges of the surveying industry today are to record data very quickly and accurately and to make it accessible to the customer. Of course, Navis technology helps us do exactly this, capture data for our customers at speed and precision and make it available shortly afterward. When we arrive at the location to start mapping, we can set up Navis VLX within 5 minutes and start scanning directly. We're incredibly fast. And then at the end of the day, we have point clouds that are sufficiently high quality for most use cases. I'd estimate that we manage to document several thousand square meters a day with Navis VLX. We prefer using Navis M6 when the site is more extensive, for example when mapping large halls. But the combination of both systems makes sense when scanning stairwells or narrow technical control centers, or when we have minimal time to do the job and all our available tools are called into action. In addition to 3D surveying, we're also exploring innovations in the field of artificial intelligence, where we've recently been working on object recognition. The latest development is the automatic placement of points of interest in Navis Indoor Viewer, with which we can automatically recognize objects in the digitized building and set POIs. The software adds specific metadata to the POIs, such as links to a website or a store link, and the customer has an enriched Navis Indoor Viewer instance. We undertook the FutureWork 360 project in collaboration with the Fraunhofer Institute and the Land of Ideas from Berlin. The goal was to establish business and scientific communication between several partners, notably France's plastic processing industry, and bring them together in a shared virtual environment. With this project's conclusion, the client can now show and demonstrate technologies without anyone having to go on site physically.
Tatsächlich wirklich vor Ort gehen zu müssen.
The indoor mapping business model at our company is developing so that we're not only using the data for 3D modeling, but we're also using the data for entirely different applications. For example, marketing, visualization, and training. Today we can take on more projects. We can realize them in a shorter time because scanning is faster than before and reduces time spent on site. Plus, we can derive much more data from mapping and offer additional services beyond pure 3D modeling.
Darüber hinaus als reine 3D-Modellierung.